Hello everyone. So in this video we will discuss about the shrink the log file in the SQL Server. When this type of issue we will get when we are getting the kind of the error like yeah. So disk space on E drive reached 95% utilization causing risk of this type of INC or the issue came in day-to-day activities of the DBA. So how we will resolve this one? We need to log into the server first. We have logged into the server and this is the server. We just expand the databases. Okay, before that we need to run one command, dbcc sql prf log space. But before running this command we need to check in the drives that which drive have the issue. In my environment only one drive I have, the C drive, due to the space issue. So here the free space is 12.9 GB free. Okay, so what generally this type of issue came like in the C drive it is full 6.8 GB free, only 202 to 222 to 3 GBs, right? So I'm sorry. So we need to increase the space. So how can we increase the space? We need to check what the log file is there and how much its space is there in that. So here in this we need to run the command dbcc sql perf log space. So we can able to get execute. Here are all the database name, log size and log space used. Okay, so here the MB is the most in HCL 67 MB. This is consuming more. So in the organization generally you have to shrink the log file of that database whose log size is more than 5 GB, more than 5000 GB or 50 GBs like that. If you 5 GB it is more than 5 GB, also you need to shrink the log file. Now how we are shrinking the log file? Suppose this is log file, this is the size of HCL databases. So in HCL database we need to click, right click, then in this task, and here is the shrink, then database files. We need to go into the files, click on the files. One pop-up page came here. We have the file type data. We need to change it to the log because we are discussing over here the log file, shrinking the log file, log. So once you clicked on the log, here you can able to get the currently allocated space. The currently allocated space is 67.94 MB. It's currently allocated, and available free space is 62.97 MB. That is a 92%. So directly you can click OK and you can shrink, but that's not a correct method. What you need to do, whatever the space available here, you need to click on this. Here is one other option, reorganized pages before releasing unused space. You click on this and 67, so you can reduce the space in 15 part by part. You can shrink the file. Shrink means you are just removing the unallocated space. Okay, allocated is this one and you are available is this, so you are removing the unallocated space. So by clicking OK also you can shrink the file, and by clicking over here the script, you get the script here, use HCL go dbcc shrink log file and the 15 and go. Once you click this, the log file will getting reduced. But before doing this, you need to check the particular database are in the which state. That means if sometimes what happen, if on that database if any activity is going on, suppose you are doing in the prod server and in the non-prod server, in the prod server, if any activity is doing by some other user or from application team side, active transactions, so any if it is present availability replicas, even if it's a checkpoint, then we need to check that status first. So for that we need to run one command like select name comma log underscore reuse underscore wait underscore desk from sys dot database. Okay, execute this one. Yes, now you are getting the name of the databases and their state. What is the state? State is nothing, log backup, nothing. So there are few states we will get generally, like nothing, then log backup, then active backup or restore, active backup or restore, active transaction, availability, ability, replica, whether it is present in any always on or any replicas, it's a part of checkpoint. So if it is present in any one of, suppose here we can able to see we are going to shrinking the HCL, okay, and HCL is in the log backup. That means what happened, before shrinking we need to keep the log backup. We need to take the log backup of that particular HCL. How can we take the log backup? Click on the HCL, right click, task, backup, click on the backup. Then here we have to take the path. Here is a, click on here, this one is a full, okay. Remind one thing, before taking the log backup, you need to click transactional log, okay, and then we need to medium backup, keep this compression and click OK. I'm not taking the backup right now. So in this way we have to take the backup first and then we need to shrink. So step by step I am coming. What we will do, if nothing, if log backup, active backup or restore or active transaction, these are all the steps. I'm coming one by one. If we'll get the state of this, then what we need to do here. Suppose if it's coming like nothing, so no issue, log can be reused, means we can able to shrink the log file. If it's the log backup, so log hasn't been backed up, we need to full bulk log recovery model, we need to change from full to simple, and then we need to take the backup and then we need to shrink. If it's coming as the active backup or restore, that means backup or restore is currently running, so we need to wait for it to complete. We need to run this command so we can able to check what the backup percentage is going on. Then next state, active transaction. If this state is coming, a transaction is still open, we need to find out the long running transactions, so we need to run this command. We can able to get it what's active transaction is going on. If active transaction is going on, then we don't need to, we can't able to shrink that. If availability replica, that means it is using in the availability replica which I have discussed right now, which I have told you. Wait for long to have harden or secondary, okay. If the state comes checkpoint, then checkpoint hasn't occurred yet, mostly in the simple recovery. We need to run the checkpoint. Checkpoint, if any state you will get in the checkpoint, that means we need to run the checkpoint. That's it. Oldest page means check the long running query. If any long running query is going on. Come over here. So here nothing, log backup, and these are all the here. Let's shrink the log file. Let's see whether it's going or not. It's showing this message. Executed, completed, print message, contact our system administration. So what happens generally, we are checking the shrink file whether it's shrinked or not. It's here, it is shrink now. It is now showing 19.875 MB. If we come over here, we check 12.9, let's refresh it. I don't think so it will affect on it, because it is a very small amount, that's why it's not showing in the GB, okay, but it is reduced. So in this way we need to shrink the log file. We need to practice. Before shrinking the log file, we need to check what is the state of that particular databases are there, okay. Yeah, we need to check the state before shrinking the log file. Shrinking the log file is very easy step, but we have to check before what the state are there. We need to check if the log backup, then we need to take the log backup of that particular. Before taking the log backup, we need to keep the recovery model in the simple, and then we need to take the log file. If another states are there, so we need to take the action according to that. So this is the way we are checking the log file in the SQL Server. So if you like this video, so please subscribe the DBA channels. Thank you so much.